The last task that we're going to complete for this project is, well, let me go ahead and get this started and hit start. So here we go, and I haven't found the key yet, but if I hit the up arrow, go to the guest room, and I hit the left arrow that goes to the secret room, it says this. It says doors locked, you have to find the key to your room first. And if I go downstairs and I get the key first, and then I go upstairs and I go to the secret room, it lets me in. Okay, so how do we get that done? Well, we've already gone over how to create a key variable, make it equal to 1, right? And so what we're going to do here is we are going to wait until we are in the guest room, right? And how do we know we're in the guest room? Well, we have a big if-else statement here that's not completed, but on yours it should be completed. And you should have something like if, I'm going to duplicate this little bit of code here, if room is equal to guest room, right? And I believe you should have something like switch backdrop to guest room. Right? And oh, I'm sorry. No, this is wrong. You want to say if room is equal to guest room, right? And so basically, if the left arrow is clicked and you're in the guest room, then what do you want to do? Right? Well, we want to do one of two things. We want to either let them into the guest room, or I'm sorry, let them into the secret room, or not let them into the secret room. And so I'm going to get an if-else, right? And an if-else checks this condition, and if it's true, it does the commands that you place in the first space. And if this condition is not true, then it does the commands that you put in the second space. So we're going to go ahead and check to see that the key variable, let me go ahead and make it over here, key, right? Oh, okay. So we already have a key variable, but it's not here. Okay, how strange. Well, maybe I could call it key2. All right, and so we could say if the key2 variable, right, is equal to 1, that means they have the key and they should be let into the room, right? Well, what should happen is you want to go ahead and make it so that you enter into the secret room. So I'm going to broadcast secret room, and of course we'll have the code under the stage portion that receives secret room and switches the backdrop. Right? Or else, what are you going to do? You're just going to go ahead and say, right, sorry, right? You need the key before entering the room. Right? So that's basically it, right? Just a set of conditions that checks if you have the key, and if you do have the key, you enter into the secret room, and if you don't, then it prints out an error message.